gift from Allah.
Gift from Allah. I not dislike a gift from Allah, but I know the stream make me my healthy is not health, yeah. And right, thank you very much for it.
Yeah, I have question for you. This is very simple question, right? How many time you bought that rice? Every night or per week? Only couple nights.
Both.
Both. I mean buy.
Right.
Yeah. Every night?
Yellow rice.
Yeah, you're right. Every
rice.
night.
Five times a week. Okay.
Is it only shrimp or other seafood? Like you eat shrimp?
Please repeat again maybe.
Is it only shrimp or other seafood you can eat with? Udang atau ada makanan lain yang kayak gitu?
Oh, just strip ya.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Only strip, right?
Yeah. Yang lain belum ada gejala.
Yeah, insyaallah.
Itu yang udah pasti insyaallah. I eat strip because on family, not my family, cook this on family, a family cook shrimp with not with gula apa namanya? Gula itu apa ya? Sayur-sayuran itu dicampur tapi
Vegetable
dicampur dengan
mixed
shrimp.
by free.
And I don't know in this vegetable have shrimp and I eat and I get
Skin start itching.
yeah I know that not good for me.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Wanda. So, any more question? No more question?
Other question.
No more question? No?
Okay.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Arwan.